Mobal eSIM Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Mobal eSIM is a digital SIM solution, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's expensive or limited to certain devices. The surprising truth is that Mobal offers competitive, flexible pricing for travelers and global users without the hassle of physical SIM cards. Pricing is based on data packages rather than fixed plans. You won't believe how affordable it can be. Small data bundles for a week can cost as little as, while larger monthly plans provide more data for around 2. Most people get this wrong by comparing it directly to traditional SIM cards, but eSIMs eliminate roaming fees and multiple SIM swaps. Activation is instant, with QR codes enabling easy setup on compatible devices. Mobal covers multiple countries, and extra data or top-ups can be purchased directly through the app. In conclusion, Mobal eSIM pricing is transparent, flexible, and designed for global connectivity. By understanding data bundles, activation methods, and top-up options, you go from zero to pro in managing mobile costs efficiently while staying connected anywhere in the world.